Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a new project on CapCut browser. So first what you're going to want to do is open up a CapCut browser, of course. So go to this website, capcut.com/myedit. Then to create a new project, I'm just going to select new project here and wait for it to load. And after it loads, this is gonna take a couple of minutes. Here, as you can see, hopefully you can see this. Oh, you can upload or drag files to this area. They only like this project column here only supports videos, photos, and audios. And when you've uploaded a video, you're just going to drag the material here. So let's just press upload for now. And then once it has uploaded, you're just going to press the plus button or drag the material there. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!